I got a dream. My mother dreamed me and told me that to tell him that I'm gonna free. Yes, because God love him, and he will become homed. He will become homed. I know, and that dream is committed. Yes, I know.
Gaza for life, man. I one world boss, man. You don't know a thing, man. Big up yourself, my Dan. You have to come on road today. Born and grow about you. And not come here, come live. Big up yourself still yet. You don't know a thing.
Well, hope and pray that everything go good in it. But for me, I just free me saying, yeah, it's so good from now. So still it being the beginning to the end. Yeah, man. Free me say still it's a good man to the scheme and come like say right now, I'm Joe to him. Yeah, whole heap of little things into for us and it come like say just water down and when him gone it just water. And replace the name, wake the name again. When the man job it come like say there's no alternative place us down and I'm no enjoyment with us. I just so. I just that alone me say I'm out, you know.
Like say boy, him there and things better. It would be better if his presence were here. You understand? But we give thanks, we're there same and we not do the wrong thing.
Today is a day we're going down in history. You understand? We used to say vengeance Thursday. We call it Vibe Thursday now. At the boss of the road, is it? Yeah, man. Big up Sean Storm. Same way, is it? Yeah, man, I mean.
My neighbor, you
know. Neighbor. Boy, you were born and grow. You know everybody, all the way like brother, is it?
Well, if already love how it go on, you know, and today I'm the Dan Freeman Day, you know. You hear that? I just a palm of Vibes Kartel and my brother, my brethren, my hygiene, everything in that one. And when them youth are there, we not broke, we not hungry, we not naked. Them youth that help the poor and needy. You hear that? Some of that like to say the G really free and come on road and know, so yeah, everything up again. You get me? All the go round, them a go round and come round. Them can't go round, Father God. You hear that? So you don't know. Big up a DJ Palmer Vibes Kartel, same way. I one life, as Spanglers I said that from my heart. You hear that? You know what things, G. Yeah, you know where I come from, G. Yeah, we're born and grow and run up and down together. Key Peace, River, yeah, be things. You hear that? So you don't know. Free men's, free world boss. Jaja, Spanglers said that. Hear that? One town link, oneness. Yeah, Adi, straight, member, word.
You always come today, gonna be better. Cause last time the man them go court and then something there. Like boxing bring the man them go them and tight behind them, you understand me? Like today the man free. So you can catch and fight and thing, you know? Out the road cause you're free. You're on the tie back of you the last time, behind you the last time. Out the road. Freedom the most, brother.